Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with the gorgeous Chloe. I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful flawless dewy skin look. This beauty look was created for a shoot with Bo Nelson and the hair was done by Semi Knight. Skin prep for this look was really important, so I decided to start with exfoliation and I used black dual-sided wipes just to run across Chloe's face and remove dead skin cells. And then I hydrated the lips using Glossier's BALM.com. After that, I sprayed CAUDALIE's Beauty Elixir spray for hydration, and then I massaged one of my favorite moisturizers, La Mer Moisturizing Creme, into Chloe's skin, using lots of pressure, especially under the eyes, just to get that blood flow. Next is one of the hero products of this look, Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. This product is so beautiful, so you can use it like a primer and you can pop it under your foundation. It just gives the skin such a beautiful sheen. It's really lightweight and you just massage it into the skin with your fingers, or you can use a makeup brush. Next is eye prep, and I'm using La Mer's the Eye Balm Intense for under the eye hydration. It's a really beautiful eye cream if you're looking for one. Then I'm going to curl the lashes with Chanel's Lash Curler, just focusing mainly on the outer edge. We really want that lift on the outer edge of the eye. Once I've done that, I'm going to prep the lids using MAC Cosmetics Groundwork Paint Pot. And I've used this in many of my videos, and you know I love this shade. It's like a taupey shade. What it does is it gives a beautiful shadow, and you can create a great shape with the eye. So you can see on Chloe's eye, I'm focusing on that outer crease and pulling upwards. So now I'm going to use another hero product for this look, and it's Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And this is in the shade number 4, which is a medium shade. And I'm pressing that in with a Ray Morris Deluxe Cream Shader Brush. So what this is it's kind of like a beautiful filter for the skin. It's a brand new product from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm obsessed with it. I think everyone should give this a try if you're looking for something to really just smooth out your skin. Obviously it looks phenomenal in photos, but I'm definitely going to be adding some of these to my kit. Even though Chloe's skin was absolutely flawless to begin with, you can see this product has just really transformed the texture of Chloe's skin. So it's a little bit more glowier, a little bit more porcelain-like, and it's just going to be absolutely gorgeous in photos. So I'm trying a new highlighter today, and this is Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in the shade Gold Flash. And I love this highlighter's sheer texture. It's kind of like the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate, but it's a little bit more golden in the finish. I'm just running that on the tops of the cheekbones, through the center of the nose and on the Cupid's bow. And then I really want the eyes to be quite open, and I want that light to hit the highlight, so I've popped that in the inner eye also. Now I'm going to defining the lash line, and I've just used one of Charlotte Tilbury's chocolate pencils, and this is in the shade Sophia, and I'm focusing on the outer lash line. Make sure you just lift that lid just so you don't have any gaps when you're applying it. So now we're going to create some dimension to the face using Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Contour Wand, and this is in the shade Light to Medium. And I am using a MAC Cosmetics Duo Fibre Brush to apply this product. I always start out by popping it in the places where I want the product to go, and then I blend it out. You do have to be quite quick with this product, otherwise it will kind of stain the face. I wouldn't suggest using too much of this either. I find if you go too hard, it can kind of look orangey, red, bricky, kind of like. But it is a beautiful product if you do use it correctly. You can see now it has just warmed up the skin. So now we're going to focus on the brows, and I'm just brushing them up with my IT Cosmetics brow brush. And then I'm coming in with MAC Cosmetics eyebrows in the shade Lingering. And Chloe has a really soft natural brow, and this product's beautiful if you just want to create hair-like strokes where there's little gaps missing. So I'm just focusing on that arch area and the tail, and just making sure they're really soft and even. So the trick to this product is to run it through the brow, and then once you're finished, just come back in with your eyebrow brush just to soften it. And then we're going to set the eyebrow hairs in place using MAC Cosmetics Brow Set in the shade Clear. So I just run it upwards on the inner part of the brow and then outwards on the arch and the tail of the brow. So now we're going to use L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara in the shade BLAQ. And I'm applying that with my MAC Cosmetics fan brush. And as always, just coating both sides of the lashes and pulling the lashes upwards. I am going to apply individual lashes after this. So once all the mascara is on, I just want to make sure the lashes are really separated for this look. So now I'm just coming in with a spoolie and separating the lashes by pulling those lashes upwards and wiggling the spoolie through them. So now I'm applying Ardell individual lashes and I'm using TWEEZERMAN tweezers. And I always make the model just stare at one position, but don't close the eyes because that's when the glue kind of can seep through and get stuck to the bottom lashes. And it's always good to check the lashes by looking forward and just pulling them up need be. So now I'm going to warm up the skin using Charlotte Tilbury's FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow. And I'm just dusting that over the same spots we used a contour wand earlier. So I'm applying a matte brown shade from Charlotte Tilbury's Instant Eye Palette to Chloe's outer crease and the inner part of the eye just to create a beautiful shape. And so when the photo will be taken, you'll just be able to see this shading in the picture. It'll be really beautiful. And I'm using a MAC Cosmetics 224 makeup brush. And this makeup brush is so light and fluffy, so you can really blend out that shadow. It's one of my favorite things to do when there's enough space in the eye is to really shade the inner eye area up to the brow. So now we're going to just apply a bit more mascara to the individual lashes that we glued on earlier. And I'm just coming in with my MAC Cosmetics fan brush and I press them up into my thumb. And this just really helps with the final lash look. So now I want to highlight a little bit more with Charlotte Tilbury's Bar of Gold, and I'm pushing that into the center of the eye and a little bit on the Cupid's bow. So final touches, I am going to curl the lashes again just to give them a little bit extra lift. You just have to be super careful because you've got the individual lashes, but this will make such a big difference. So the Amazing Semi Night has just finished the hair look, which is looking incredible. So now it's time for final touches, and I'm going to apply powder to the center of the face, and this is Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Medium. And because I'm going to be on set, it just has to be a light powder because I will be there for touch-ups. It's not like red carpet where it has to last all night. So now I'm going to add a little flush to the cheeks using NARS Orgasm Blush, and I'm applying that with the Ray Morris Kabuki brush. So just a light dusting to really freshen up the look. And then once we've done that, I am just going to make the lips a little bit more cherry-like. So I'm using Clinique's Pep Start Pout Perfecting Lip Balm, and I'm applying that with the MAC Cosmetics Concealer Brush. And this is just going to enhance Chloe's natural lip shade. And there's a finished flawless dewy makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and to my gorgeous model Chloe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you next time.